Okay, so let's do an overview of a little bit more HTML. So again, I come on into my code, and as I look at my HTML sheet, I want to note that every HTML sheet will begin as follows. One, every HTML code begins with an opening tag. We have our less than HTML greater than, and then we can see as we come down to line 10, this is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. Now, as we look at every HTML page, we're going to find that there will be the head and there will be the body. Now, when we look at the body will be what we'll see on the page. The head will contain things like the title, tags. Also, it will contain links to CSS sheets. And if we have a favicon, it will include that and other things as well. So let's take a look. Let's come on in. I'm going to type into the body. Hello world. Okay, now I'm going to come to my design view and I'm going to see that I see this right in here. If I come to split, I could come down and do it one more time. Hello world. Now, just by hitting return, I can see that I have these paragraph tags, and paragraph tags will automatically have this type of space inside of it. Let's take a closer look at some other HTML that we can start to work with. So I come to my insert page and I can see that on my insert page that one of my choices is HTML. So I can do div tags, I can do images, I can do paragraphs, I can do headings. Let's take a look at headings. So I can do heading 1, heading 1. Here we go. Hello world, heading 1. And as I come on down on line 11, I can see this is inside of heading 1. Now, if I come on down into code view, I can come and I can hit return. Now I'm on line 12. Now, if I come back to my headings, let's see what heading 2 looks like. Heading 2. This is the content for layout heading 2. Now, many times when I click the insert, what will happen is it will automatically come onto my sheet just because I was in design view, and now I can change what's here. And let me come on in. I can do that in either spot. I can come and do this in code view if I'd like to, or I can do it in the other area. Now, as I look, I'm saying, this isn't appearing, but if I click off, it will reappear. Now, let's try this one more time. I'm going to come right into here, and I can see I hit return in design view, so I automatically have those paragraph tags. So what's going to happen is I come on it and I click heading 3. It changed it to heading 3. Now I can type one more time, again clicking. So a lot of this is just getting the feel for it, so I think we can see this. Now, let's take a look at some other things too. We can insert tables. We can also do unordered lists and ordered lists. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to hit return one more time, and I'm going to click an ordered list. So I can say, what do I need from the store today? I need apples, apples. Bananas and pears. An ordered list is going to have the numbers. I can come back in here, I can fix this up. And again, we can see that these are mirroring one another. Now, let's take a closer look at this code. As I come to line 14 all the way down to line 18, I can see that an order list, that the HTML tags for ordered lists is OL. I have the opening tag, I have the closing tag. As I go through each one of these, I can see that I have my different list items. Okay, let's take a look at an unordered list. Now I want to make sure that when I put my unordered list that I'm not putting it inside of my ordered list. It would be inside of my ordered list if I was to, come on in and hit and insert it right in here. Let's see if that happens. Unordered list. Okay, see what happened? It went inside of my ordered list. I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to make sure as I come on into my code that I come after my ordered list, and then I'm going to click unordered list. And here I can do my list one more time. This time maybe I will put a to-do list, and I don't need orders to them. I'm going to, okay, and then to create an unordered list, all that I did was I just clicked unordered list, and we can see how it looks. We have unordered list, the HTML is UL, and again in the center we have the LI. With the unordered list, we have instead we have a bullet. Okay, now I just want to show you one more place, and this is the story with Dreamweaver, is there's a whole bunch of different ways to get to the same place. So we can also come on in here and we can come to insert and we can come to HTML, and we can see that we're going to have all of these different things in here. So a div tag, images, paragraphs, tables, figures, these were the ones that we just took a look at. We have characters. If we wanted to, we could insert, a copyright character. There's a lot of different things that we can insert. And of course, we can also go to different websites and find a lot of different HTML codes and tags that we can use in our projects. Thanks so much.